Here I want to show you guys how to make my throat and cough elderberry syrup. Grab your dried elderberries, organic is always best. Place them into a large pot. Add your filtered water. Squeeze the lemon juice in and then throw the peel into the mixture. Add mullein. Add marshmallow root. Add in your echinacea. Stir well. Bring this up to a boil. And then let this simmer on low for about 45 minutes. This makes your house smell really, really good. After this simmers, you want to refrigerate it until it cools to room temp. Make sure you strain it before you refrigerate it. And then I like to press all the juice out of the berries just to get all that nutrient-dense liquid I can out of the berries. From here, I always feed it to my chickens and ducks, and it makes their egg yolks bright orange and nutrient-dense. Adding your raw local honey. Once this elderberry syrup or elderberry juice comes out of your fridge and is at a cooler temperature, we just don't want it to mess with the enzymes of the honey. And then ladle it right back into that measuring cup that you had the honey in. Make sure it's always mixed well before you bottle it so that the honey doesn't go to the bottom and you're not getting an even ratio in this mixture. I got these bottles off Amazon. You could use mason jars. You could use any airtight container that you like. These refrigerate for up to a month or so, and these freeze for up to 6 to 8 months in my freezer. So I love making big batches that we can just pull as we need. And these always make my throat feel so good. Put that lid on. Make sure you leave a little room if you're going to freeze it so that the mixture can expand, and boom, you have your homemade throat and cough elderberry syrup.